Hey guys! Today we'll be making
pizza rolls.
For more recipes,
consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen.
Lay out your dough.
It comes in pre-cut triangles, so just cut along the lines.
Place your mozzarella on the widest side of your triangle dough.
We really like pepperoni, so we added 3 slices. Once you finish adding your mozzarella and pepperoni slices, we're gonna take the dough and roll it and tuck it forward. You're gonna repeat this process for all of the triangles.
You can have fun with this, and if you're not into pepperoni, you can just stuff it with cheese. You can either use a non-stick pan or butter your pan and start placing your rolls. Make sure to place your rolls far enough apart so that they won't stick to each other as they rise. This next step is optional but highly recommended.
Make sure to chop your garlic into tiny pieces. We use 4 cloves for 16 rolls.
Add in your olive oil. Some parsley. About 2 pinches of Parmesan cheese. Add in some salt and mix. Coat your rolls in the garlic sauce.
After coating, place back in oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. We used our favorite marinara sauce and warmed it up. Feel free to add some Parmesan and parsley to your marinara. We made a few rolls without the garlic sauce.
So cheesy.
Dip in your marinara. Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon.